walking to remember over 6,000 people who lost their lives.
I'm walking for my family back home to let them know that I'm thinking of them.
I'm walking for all the children that still go to sleep hungry.
Thousands of lives have been affected by the recent calamities in the Philippines.
Lives were lost, houses destroyed.
People left hungry for days and weeks.
They need help.
Church of Christ members believe we could do more.
So we have decided to come together to take part in this cause.
Join us
with the members of the Church of Christ in cooperation with the Felix Y. Manalo Foundation
to help walk for the thousands affected by Typhoon Haiyan.
I'm walking to show my love.
Love of the brotherhood.
As members of the Church of Christ, let's unite together in support of this cause. Join us as we walk so they can stand.